Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the Y20 Y60 Ultra smartwatch, and as you can see here, it has a beautiful screen display with the support for the always on display mode. Okay, beautiful screen here, very sharp, and we have a slim black border. Okay, so it is already preloaded with several watch faces, and this time on this video review we are going to pair. Okay, we are already paired with the support app, but we are going to download and install additional watch faces for this smartwatch. Okay, so if you want to see some of the available watch faces in the Y20 for the Y20 Y60 smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Again, it is already preloaded with several watch faces, as you can see here. How many watch faces do we have? So let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5 watch faces. We have here a digital watch face. I don't know if we can change it here on the settings. Okay, so let's see. Okay, menu. We have an option for multiple menus or changing audio menus. We have it here. Let's see, style to. Okay, we have. So let's check if we have an option here, okay, for the watch faces or for changing the time. I don't like the military standard time. Okay, set time. Change the backlight time for at least a minute. Okay, password setting, function key set. Okay, I think this is for this one. Okay, you can change it. Set date, set time. Okay, we don't have here an option. You can change the time, but we don't have an option to make it a 12-hour standard time. I don't know if there's available option in the support app. Okay, anyway, so let's check. Let's go first with the watch faces. Let's install. Okay, we have here the iWatch Plus. Tap on the iWatch Plus, and as you can see here, we are connected. Okay, so let's go to the dial settings. Okay, again, tap on the device. Okay, usually you are in a home section, so tap on the device, go to the dial settings. Okay, we have here the dial management section, and we have here several categories. Okay, so let's pick this one. Let's see, let's install. Okay, so tap on install. During the dial upgrade process, in order to prevent the upgrade from failing, please do not turn the app to the background. Okay, so it's now downloading. As you can see here, the smartwatch automatically switched to the download mode, and we have here the progress bar. Hopefully we can change it to the military standard time and not just lock on the 12-hour format time. Okay, we'll see with this one. Okay, dial installation, it's now 27%. Okay, let's wait. Okay, as you can see here, we on the 98%, 99, and this smartwatch restarted, and we have it here. Okay, still in the military time standard. Oh, military standard time. Okay, I don't see any options here. Okay, but anyway, let's first, okay, check on the available watch faces. We have the pointers. Okay, so this is analog type. We have space dial. Okay, we have carton dial, holiday dial here, So this is for the different seasons. Okay, digital dial. Okay, we already accessed it earlier, I think. We have the machine dial. So this is a dynamic watch faces with available data here, additional data. And we have the custom dial. So this is a custom watch face. Okay, so let's try install the custom watch face here. Okay, we already have it here, our downloaded watch face. Okay, let's go with the custom dial here. Okay, let's pick this one. I love soccer. Okay, select upper right, lower left. That is for the time. Select the photo. Okay, we have a permission here. Allow iWatch Plus to access photos, media, and files on your device. Allow. Okay, we'll use this one. Okay, and check. And we have here a photo preview. Tap on install. Okay, got it. And it's now downloading the watch face. Okay, so we are almost finished here, and we have updated successfully. Okay, as you can see here, we have our custom watch face for our Y20 Y60 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so far that's it. So those are the options for the watch faces. Okay, so again, our quest, let's check the time options. Okay, do we have the option to change the time to 12-hour format time? Mostly this is the one of the issues, okay, with these smart watches. It's only available in the 12-hour or 24-hour format time. There's no option for changing to the 12-hour format time, as you can see here. Okay, so there's no option here in the app. Again, maybe we missed something in the smartwatch, so let's check. Okay, sports camera, calculator, menu style, more, set language, set time, set date. Okay, so let's check this one. 2023, no. Back to dial, forever, 1 minute, bed lamp, set time. Okay, let's see. We have an option here. 140. So let's check if we can change it. I don't know if this is 2:49 a.m. or 2:48 p.m. or a.m. We'll see later on. I'm going to check. I will update you. Okay, but so far I think it's still a 24-hour format time. Okay, so that's it for the watch faces for the Y20 Y60 smartwatch. Okay, anyways, I'm going to update you with the time here. Okay, if it's changed to our 12-hour format time. Okay, we will update you with that. So again, if you have any questions regarding the watch faces, available watch faces, downloading of watch faces, and custom watch face for our Y20 Y60 Ultra in the iWatch Plus application, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.